Hello and welcome to this video on essay writing. In this video, we are going to look at how writing is approached as a skill. To do that, we are going to go into looking at some of the styles of writing or styles of writing an essay. As you could see in the screens in front of you, we are going to look at essay writing, and essay writing will in turn help you to get your skills. But then mind the term style. Style is something which you could consider as something as an optional thing, right? Either you could use the style or not use the style. But then I would like to get you focus on this particular thing where I don't want you to look at the meaning of style as thinking as it could be optional, whether it could be used or not be used. I want you to look at style as of purpose. Now, with regards to purpose, there are, at least in this video, we are going to look at two purposes. Actually, there are four, and we are going to look at only two purposes, and then we will continue to look at the other two purposes in the videos that are to come in the following week. You do know that there is going to be purpose in writing. When we speak, we do it in purpose, so as to communicate whatever we think in our own mind or to socialize with people. With regards to writing, it is the same case, but then if you have to target a content, we could use the word target, you are doing it for a particular purpose. Now, the purpose is served by the style you are writing or the style you would write. Let me give you a direct example. There are four styles of writing or four styles of writing an essay in our own context. The first style of writing an essay is expository writing. Then you have descriptive writing and persuasive writing. Finally, you have narrative style of writing. In this video, we will be looking at the descriptive style of writing and the narrative style of writing. Now, each of this style has a purpose, has a well-defined purpose. You can experiment, but then if you have to have a particular target for a particular writings, then you will have to employ a particular writing style. Now, let us continue to look at the descriptive style of writing an essay. The descriptive style of writing an essay. It's a no-brainer. It says descriptive in the title, which is one of the styles of writing. So obviously, it could be anybody else's guess. What is the meaning of descriptive? It is to describe, right? Now, a descriptive writing style is employed for one purpose. The purpose is to describe something in minute detail. Now, when we look at the other styles, we are not going to compare, but then we are going to look at the various purposes in which other essays could be used. But then if you have to describe something in detail, then you could use the descriptive writing style. Now, the descriptive writing style mostly uses literary devices you might have come across, like metaphor, symbol, and so on. And mostly since the descriptive writing style has it describes about minute details in an essay, it sometimes appeals to your senses. Now, this is something you may not find in other essay writing styles. For example, go through this essay for a minute. On one corner of my dresser sits a smiling toy clown on a tiny unicycle. I have just read the first sentence. It should be very much evident for you to know that the descriptive example of writing starts bluntly, right? Without any introduction, right? And this is how descriptive essay style is did. But then look at the minute details. You get a visualized you are visualized, in front of you there is a visual that there is a corner, and in the corner there is a dresser. In the dresser sits, not stands, a clown, but then not an actual clown, a toy clown. The toy clown is smiling, right? And the smiling toy clown is sitting on a unicycle which is tiny. So within 10 to 12 words of starting the essay, you get these many details, and these many details are being consumed by the reader, right? So now you know how a descriptive essay works. You could go on to read the rest of the essay, and you would find that there are many details given here in this passage. Look at, if you casually skim your eyes through the essay, you would find colors, lots of colors: blue, cherry red, even texture, fluffy. You have blue, you have red, right? You have black, you have pink, right? You have white, and so on, right? So the essay, like its purpose and its style, of course, it is very descriptive in nature. Now, when do we use this descriptive style of writing? When you use a fictional work, when you write poetry, when you want to convey an information to people, in a descriptive manner, right? And these are all the purposes in which you could use a descriptive writing style to write an essay. Now we will move on to the next writing style called the narrative style. Now, narrative style is the second writing style of writing an essay. Of course, like I have explained to you in the first few minutes of the slide, it is a skill. Now, all of us need not necessarily have a skill in writing all these styles of writing. It comes by practice. If you want to practice, you can also practice, but then you can obviously find out which you are good at. Now, look at narrative. Narrative writing skill is very much different from descriptive writing style. Now, how does it differ? A descriptive writing style, like I told you, it describes situations in minute detail. Now, a narrative takes up the style of narrating or storytelling. You could ask the question that even a descriptive style of writing is reciting a story to you, but then in a narrative you do see that you write the phrases in reported speech and direct speech sometimes, because you could see that in the last two lines of the example I have given here. Please allow me to read. What you doing? I asked. Nothing. They chirped in unison. So you could see that within double quotes, you are given instructions that it is the actual quotation of the speaker himself or herself, right? So these are ways of telling a story. Now, this is the first purpose, right? What is the second purpose of using a narrative style? A narrative style always has a plot, right? It has a beginning, it has a middle and an end, right? Of course, it will be definitely a story, right? A descriptive style of writing need not be a story always. It could be description about nature, right? A description about a window, right? A description about the bike you have. But a narrative will have a story. A narrative will have a start, middle and an end, and that is narrative writing style of an essay for UP.